Hi friends, so what a day today. A perfect game plan which I made for this week and executed very nicely starting from last Friday. Uh, I should say, from past 2 to 3 days, it was market was not even giving us any kind of profits. It was just moving sideways, but without any profits. There were kind of spikes, and even in yesterday's video, also I told you very clearly we can expect a breakout and in such kind of difficult situations, we just have to make sure that our losses are under control. Profits will take care of themselves. Now the game plan has been well executed. That's what I can say. I made sure that my losses on Monday were small, on Tuesday it was small, Thursday I had a little slight profit, and today bang with a good winner. It's one among the highest profits in this week, and we are back to profits in this week as well. So this is the game plan, friends. This is how I keep executing my game plan, and this is how you also need to plan your trades. It's not that just because one day you make loss or one day you make big profits, it's not that end of your trading or something. It's a continuous journey. You need to plan in such a way that when you finish 1 month, it should be like a perfect game plan, just like how you do your business. Even if you're working in a company also, you just go through your management team, how they plan, how they do the budgeting, how they execute their plan, all those things. Same way in trading as well. Okay, so today's trade, I think it was very easy. Market was one-sided, and I should say almost everyone would have made money today. Being a directional trader or non-directional trader would have made money, good money, because it was clear-cut direction. There was no much zigzag movement or nothing of that sort. I also closed my positions early today by 130 itself, 140. I closed my positions because premiums had become very low, and also I got my desired capital for 2% for today. So without wasting much time, let us look into today's trades and let us learn something different. Okay, so today, 7th of April, the expiry day, and eagerly waiting for this expiry, reason because we do not have profits for the week. So Bank Nifty opened a bit gap down, and then it was trying to consolidate. As you can see, there was no quick movements kind of thing, but there was only one spike which has happened. I'll just show you. Before that, let us look into the open interest, and then you can see almost call and put are the same. I can see a big tower at 37,500, so we can expect, yes, a very good resistance at this level. You can see there's already one spike which has happened at this level. This is a spike which happened, and that spike killed my positions as well. I'll just show you. Okay, now coming to the lower side, it's at 37,400, which is almost the present level where Bank Nifty is trading. So then what I can do is I'll keep the low of the day, and this is going to be the range for today. So I got the upper band by looking into the open interest, and by looking at the lower band, that is nothing but the support. What exactly happened was it was showing the present ATM levels. So I have taken the low of the day, and today also being Thursday, the premiums are very low, friends. So don't keep very high ranges. Try to keep a small range for today because you won't have premiums to do the adjustments. So today I can see a decent 150 point range. So accordingly we will take the trades. Now morning I took my positions at 9:20, and then when the candle went above the initial points, I closed one of my close position, but then market reversed again. Okay, so you can see at this level it went up and it came back. So one of my call stop loss hit, but then it reversed again, and then that is why I had to accept this loss. Presently my loss is around 37,000 rupees. So you can see if it continues from here to go up, I will be in profit, but otherwise I will be in loss. And if it remains in range also, we can expect a good profit. Okay, now time is around 9:50, and you can see as per our plan, the price has correctly crossed, it has crossed the resistance line which I told you, and it has gone up. So if at all this red candle would have not come, I would have been in very good profit, but since it went up and again reversed, I had to accept a temporary loss. But then again, now as per our plan, it has continued and it has gone top. And let me just show you, this is the present situation, and just you can see the losses have started to come down. So I just added my positions, extra lots whichever I had, I started adding all the positions, and now I should expect a good theta decay so that I can recover the loss which I had made in the morning at 9:20. Okay, so now presently time is 10 o'clock, and you can see market is range bound, and you can see slowly our losses are coming down without any adjustments, with nothing being done. You can just see the losses are coming down. This is a specialty of theta decay. Perfect. Again, you can see it has tried to come back into our range, but it has again gone up. But overall, you can say that prices are moving sideways. You can also see the RSI is between 60 and 40, which very clearly indicates that Bank Nifty is presently moving sideways. And there is nothing much we have to do adjustment in this kind of level. We can just wait with the same quantity. You can see I have come back into profit. I just added one extra call because market was trying to come down, Bank Nifty was trying to come down to the range. Okay, so now time is 11 o'clock, friends, and you can see Bank Nifty is still continuing the same range. And what else would you expect on expiry day? If Bank Nifty remains in this level, it's going to be excellent. So without any adjustment, you can see the same adjustment. We are in a good profit of around 37,000. Okay, now here is where we need to be very careful. The spike has happened, so it was already above our range. And one more confirmation which I got was with the super trend. So super trend also, you can see, has turned green, and these two sudden candles, it was a surprise for me as well. So then what I did was I added extra put, and then I reduced my calls completely. So as of now, you can see I'm completely bullish. Already my range has been broken, and also we got a super trend confirmation as well. So I have almost gone completely bullish. I've just kept one single call in case, if at all, if any reversal is there, then it will help us for getting the theta gain as well. Okay, so as long as market continues going up, it is going to be excellent for us. But yeah, so you can see once again, friends, Bank Nifty has continued going up. So once I got the clarity that it is going completely up, I closed all my call options, and you can see I'm completely naked now. I'm only doing the put options, and I will wait for the super trend to change the direction to once again come back to sideways or normal. But as of now, it is perfect, well balanced, easy trade for almost everyone doing Bank Nifty. Anybody having experience of 6 months to 1 year should have easily identified today's direction and would have made very good money. And so this is how my trades are for today, and I'll wait for the super trend, and also I'll wait for the moving average to give us an indication whether market is reversing. Okay, so no stopping for Bank Nifty today. It has just continued to go up and up and up. So our direction analysis was easy, as I told. Everyone could find the direction today. We made a very good decent profit of close to 1% as of now. Already we are at 95,000 profit, and Bank Nifty is continuing its rally. It's going up, and the same is the profit as well. Premiums are almost coming down. You can see we just have 31 rupees and 40 rupees left with the put side. So I thought I'll wait for another 10-20 rupees decay and then take a call. So you can see now the beauty, Bank Nifty just remained sideways, and we have reached 1.6 lakh profit, and premiums, as you can see, has again come down to 18 to 26. So as long as it remains, it's fine for us. But we don't know, market can reverse. So what I did was I slightly closed few legs and then entered into straddle once again. Here you can see I've taken 37,900 straddle. So reason because Bank Nifty is moving sideways, and then the premiums we can see here almost have come down to 16 to 24 rupees. So in case if there's any sudden reversals, then it will be very difficult to manage. So I once again took a straddle, and straddle is having very good premium. You can see almost close to 100 rupees premium is there, even time being 12 o'clock. So I just took the straddle, and we'll wait and see how Bank Nifty is going to perform, and accordingly we will be able to do the adjustments as well. Okay, so I have come back to almost a neutral position as of now, but slightly this thing bullish because I have two small put options left with me. Okay, so now you can see the reversal has started, so then I had to close the put option. So this is what I was fearing before as well, as I told you. In case if market reverses, it will be difficult. So you can see it has come down below the moving average. So I started closing slowly my put options, and presently my MTM has reached almost 2 lakh, and you can see it has started to slide down. Bank Nifty has started to slide down. This is what exactly I was fearing before as well, and premiums are almost very low now. I don't feel it is safe to do the adjustments from here. Time is already 1:30 and being Thursday, so that is why I had to close my positions because I don't want to fight more again with Bank Nifty, especially on Thursdays. Okay, friends. So hope you liked today's adjustment and today's commentary of trades which I took. It was very simple, clear cut. Instead of closing and entering all the positions together, it's just that I am entering or exiting step by step slowly, so that in case if there's reversal as well, we'll get the benefit, and in case if there's any sudden movement also, we'll get the benefit. That is what I'm trying to do here. It's completely discretionary trading, but I'm using indicators which are very simple, and also I'm finding the range with open interest. Hope you liked today's video. If any doubts, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.